Wait, have you ever seen a nice layer like this? The secret is all in this 100 to 30 golden ratio and a white chocolate hack. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make it. There's one step most people skip, and it's the reason why their layers always collapse. I will show you exactly when to stop. Let's start with strawberries. Bright, ripe, vivid color. This is what makes your jam look naturally beautiful. Have the strawberries, then dice. Keep the pieces chunky for that perfect bite. Now, here's the key. Mix the strawberries with sugar at a 100 to 30 ratio. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Let natural juices do all the work. Don't rush this step. Simmer over medium-low heat. Keep some fruit chunks in there. Smooth jam or chunky jam? Tell me your pick in the comments. When it is done, stop. That texture, it's worth it. The jam is done, but honestly, the real magic hasn't even started yet. This is regular matcha, and this is high-quality Yuji matcha. I've tried both. While Yuji matcha has brighter color, finer powder, richer taste, a longer, deeper finish. This is what I'm using today. Now, this is where most people go wrong. If you add matcha powder directly into the cooked cream, you are going to get lumps. Here's the fix. For the matcha powder, sift it through every grain apart. Add hot water in stages. Mix fully each time before you add more. No lumps. Smooth, vivid, perfect. Melt one chocolate into your cream over medium heat. Here's the key. Cream must be completely chilled before whipping. 6 hours in the fridge. Better. Every time. This is the moment. Be patient while you whip. Firm, cloud-like consistency, that's the soul of the dish. You cannot rush it. Team thick foam or team light foam? Drop it below. I'm super curious. Now we layer everything. A generous layer of strawberry jam at the bottom. Don't be shy. Ice cubes. This is a structure. Pour cold milk in slowly. Use a spoon to guide it. The matcha foam, nice and thick. Look at those layers. The matcha hits you first, clean, slightly bitter. Then the strawberry sweetness blooms. And the white chocolate, it rounds out every single sip. Creamy, layered, addictive. If you make this at home, I really want to see it. Drop it in the comments below. Or tell me how you change the ratio. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I will see you in the next video.